Happy holidays from the Higgins Hotel in New Orleans. I just checked in here. It's beautiful. This resort is in downtown New Orleans. It is the official resort for the World War II Museum here. My room is right across the street from it, so I have beautiful views of the museum. And I just want to give you a quick little room tour before I hop in the shower and start getting ready for dinner. Okay, so right when you walk into your left, you're gonna have this nice mirror with a coffee setup. To the right, you have this sliding glass door to the bathroom with a mirror. To the left, we have this little closet, the locker, iron, luggage rack, ironing board, and some storage. And then we have the bathroom. It's got the beautiful fleur-de-lis on the ground. Toilet, a lovely lady of the World War II era. Really, really nice lit, huge mirror. So this is a great setup to do makeup, ladies. And a very nice shower. Then exiting the bathroom, and here's the main room. We have a king bed in our room, or you can get 2 queens. TV, some storage. We do have a mini fridge if needed. And they've got some really nice old pictures from World War II times up on top of the bed. So if you needed to work or write something down, you have a desk and a chair set up with a lamp, a nice lounge chair, and we have a really, really nice view of the National World War II Museum right outside of our window. So that's it right there. It's a rainy, cold, foggy day in New Orleans, but it's still beautiful, right? So here's the city. And the beautiful flag. So we are staying here for our 15 years of being together anniversary, and we did let them know ahead of time. So they were nice enough to give us a room upgrade. We were staying on the 3rd floor. We are now on the 7th floor, so we have better views of the city. And they also included, I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's like the concierge package, to where we can come and go from their concierge level amenities area. It's like food and drinks 24 hours. So if we need breakfast or we need a snack or we need a drink, we can come and go in that little area. So this is our room keys. And then they were also sweet enough to give us 2 complimentary beverage vouchers to use tonight. So they are good at any of the 3 dining locations here. Cafe Normandy is where we are going to eat dinner. It's their sit-down, nice restaurant where you need reservations. Kilroy's, I believe, is like their quick service come and go spot. And then Rosie's on the Roof is where you plan to go after dinner. It's their rooftop bar in honor of Rosie the Riveter and the women of the World War II era. So we will use these probably at Rosie's. So thank you so much to the Higgins Hotel and Hilton for giving us this and helping us celebrate our 15 years together here at this resort.